Pramod from Cartoons, Bangalore, Whitefield area, and we deal with all car accessories. We are mainly professional at sound thing. Mostly, probably we deal with most Pioneer head units.
I'm Sneha. I've come to Cartoons today to get the head unit replaced that I had been given by Maruti.
Today we are installing in this Baleno car Delta model Pioneer head units.
And not just the head unit, I also got subwoofer and speakers all by Pioneer.
She asked for mainly good sound quality and a good product and a genuine product. So we are recommended her to go with the Pioneer head unit and Pioneer component speakers and Pioneer under-seat subwoofer.
So it gives me the features that I was looking for, which is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also Bluetooth. And at the same time, it is wireless and not just the wired functions of it. Hence, this is something which is I have not found anywhere else.
The margin has been decided by the company, the quality is decided by the company, and moreover, you can blindly go, you can service anywhere throughout India.
So this has been a great investment for me, and the sound quality of the subwoofer and the speakers are really great. I am really happy with my purchase, and I'm really happy with how the head unit is performing. I also have a reverse camera function that has been installed with the head units, and I really can't wait to experience all of it in all the long drives that I'm going to have.
Yes, we recommend strongly Pioneer. Why? Because we are tension free. No, where can better quality can get in that price range of quality products.